What's up guys, in today's video I'm going to be going over variables in JavaScript. Variables are a type of container that store different types of data. Firstly, we start by declaring the variable using the var keyword. Next comes a name for the variable. This can be anything, just make sure it's descriptive and doesn't use any sort of characters or anything like that. I'm going to call this my string. A string is anything like words, any sentences, anything like that. So this is a string, is going to be a example of a string. Next, semicolon, and then we're going to console.log, and what this is going to do is basically print to the output whatever we put inside of those parentheses. Next, we're going to save our code, and we're going to write my string, and this is going to call the name of the variable. And if we save this and hit run, you see it says this is a string. And then next up, we can start again by doing var to declare it, and the next data type I'm going to cover is going to be a number. So we type my number. Now the thing with numbers is they don't need quotation marks, because what that would do is declare this as a string. So this would print the literal of 2312, and what we want is a number, so we're going to type 2312. Now if we come down here and write console.log my number, save that, print, it's going to say 2312. Now the only difference between that and something like this, if I were to print it as a string literal, is that with this one we can't do any arithmetic operations on it, like any sort of math. So if it was just a number, we could say my number plus 1. And so if I save this, run, it shows 2313 instead of 2312. So just make sure if you want a number, you use the number. Next up is going to be a boolean. A boolean value is anything that is true or false. So if we type my boolean equals true, this is a value of true. So if we console.log my boolean, save, and we run this, it's going to say true. Now just a quick example to show this is we can say if, now I'm going to use an if statement. This is something you'll learn later on, not complicated, just not where we're learning right now. And we say if my boolean console.log, this is a true statement. We save that and we run. This is going to print this is a true statement because my boolean is true, and if we set this to false, save it, run, you see it doesn't print. I hope you guys enjoyed. Super simple, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video.